parents, I wanted to send another video going over a few things in our Google Classroom. Once you're in our Google Classroom, you'll see the stream and then the section that says classwork. So each day you will click on classwork and then you'll see the header daily missions. I have Monday's slides ready, so we'll click on Monday. And then I'm going to click on Present. The first slide we have is our morning bin slide. Now, each day for morning bins, I'll either have typed directions or a video for your child to watch. So you can click play, and then it'll show your child how to do our morning bin activity. Going to the next slide, it will have a breakdown of our daily schedule for the day so you can know what to expect. Then the information about our whole group meeting. Remember, to go to our whole group meeting, you can click the Google Meet link on our homepage. Then a breakdown of centers. We have the All About Me Center, which I'll go back out into classwork and show you in a minute. That will be separate from our Google Slides presentation for today. The Art Center, all of the materials are inside of your week 1 bag. And again, I did a video instructing your child on how to do the center. Then we have our letter center for the day. Again, this worksheet can be found within week 1. And another video of me going through the directions, kindergarten coloring, that sort of thing with your child. Then we'll have our live writing block. Again, you'll click on the Google Meet link on our main Google Classroom page to get to the Google Meet for the day. Then we'll have our lunch and recess time. And then directions to log back in between 11:55 and noon for our phonemic awareness activity. Again, you'll use that same Google Meet link on the front page of our Google Classroom. And then our specials and snack time. And then a note that we'll come back from specials and snack and begin our math lesson promptly at 1:20. For the first week, we aren't going to have math centers. Instead, we're going to do some community building. So between 1:45 and 2 o'clock, you're going to look for a show and tell item with your child and help them think of a few clues. Then they'll get back on for a Google Meet with their friends and between 2 and 2:05, and we will do our show and tell activity. After that, your child will have their extra PE minutes, and that's kind of a look at how the slides will be each day. It'll be a good breakdown, a mix of either typed directions if it needs to be a Google Meet, or a video of me explaining centers or the activity that your child is going to be doing for that lesson. Now, I'm going to come out of this, and I'm going to go back to our Google page. And again, like I said, under classwork, we are going to have an extra center this week. So week 1, All About Me Center. It's a really cool getting to know your child center that they'll get to all share on Friday. So we have All About Me, and they can add their picture and just some different things about them. Community building is so very important in kindergarten, and I know it's so different with us being on the computer, but we want to build our classroom community all the same. So you'll have Monday through Thursday to work on this with your child. I am going to have them due by Thursday evening so that on Friday, you can also take turns learning about the other friends in our class. If you have any questions about our Google Slides, each lesson for the day, or All About Me Center, please just let me know. I am still waiting for some parents to log into our Google Classroom, so I'm not making these assignments live just yet, but I will post them on Sunday. So if you have not already joined our Google Classroom, please do so as soon as possible. Thank you so much.